Morning, it's raining. It's raining. Ding dong dong. Ding dong dong.
Bumalik nga sa Australia sina Ann Curtis, Erwan at Dahlia. Dito nga nila balak i-welcome ang New Year 2023 at excited dahil dito pinanganak si Dahlia. There's no place like home at gustong makasama ang kanyang ina dito sa Australia home nila. Dahlia kuhang-kuha ang ngiti ng kanyang Papa Erwan. Exciting ang solo time ng family Yusuf sa Melbourne.
Are we sleeping? Are we sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning, it's raining. It's raining. Ding dong dong. Ding dong dong. Are we in the river outside? River outside.
Nakakatuwa ang pagkanta ni Dahlia ng Brothers John. Kabisadong kabisado at nasa tono talaga ito. Ang hilig ang kumanta ni Dahlia kahit naglalakad at naglalaro. Tuwang-tuwa ang kanyang mami Ann sa ginawa nito. Muntik na nga raw makansela ang flight pero in high spirits pa rin ang pamilya at umaasang makakabalik sa Australia bago mag-holiday. Agad na nag-picnic sa Royal Botanic Gardens, Victoria ang mag-ina. At ito raw ang na-miss ni Ann, ang fresh berries at ang magandang view, tahimik na lugar.
It's an alpaca.
Can I touch them?
It's sleeping.
Why?
It's tired. It's supposed to do.
Nag-sightseeing nga agad sila at na-miss ni Dahlia ang mga alaga nilang animals na nandito sa Australia. Na-miss naman ni Erwan kainan ang seafood restaurant dito sa Melbourne. At napangiti pa nga sa kuhang video ni Ann Curtis. Erwan natuwa sa sagot ng kanyang anak nang tinanong ito kung masaya ba ito. At sagot nga ni Dahlia sa kanya, "Yes, because you're not working." Sabi nga ni Erwan, "Be present folks." At nilinaw ni Erwan ang mga negative comments tungkol dito sa sinabi niya. Being present doesn't necessarily mean physically. It means to be engaged and not distracted with your child. I'm privileged to be able to take vacations, But that wasn't the point. Most days in Manila, I'll work 12-hour days. But when I'm with my daughter, I'm with her. And that's what I meant by presence. Don't be your phone all the time when they are around or when you get to spend time with them.
Okay. Where would up here? I put it here? Or do I put it here?
right here.
Oh, you have yours there. Okay.
Can I eat that?
Oh, well, you're already eating, right?
I told you. But can I?